Thank you so much for joining us into another beautiful trading session. For those that don't know who I am, my name is Guna. I've been trading for over 3 years now. And what I do on my live streams, especially my YouTube page, is I share with you guys as much information pertaining to price action. And I give you guys any trading anticipation, any trading ideas or opportunities that I am personally planning to take on the day. With that being said, sit back, relax. Let's get right into today's another beautiful session. Guys, the market is so amazing. I cannot even express words. Okay, if you guys watched yesterday's live stream, only then you will really understand. Because yesterday's live stream, I highlight usually all of the trading opportunities I will highlight before the move happen, and I will advise you guys to watch how the market react to certain levels or certain areas. But I will give you my bias if it's going up. I believe that if it's going up or it's going down. So we start off with forex first. So this is AUD JPY. This one actually went to my TP target already. I actually had a TP target above this level because, as you guys know, I personally was focusing a little bit more of this is 1 to 1.5, right? Because if this was the entry here, I did enter to this level, okay? Because I did kind of missed out this opportunity, and I saw market was really trying to move towards the upside, and this is a high confidence trade, huh? So that's why I entered this trading opportunity, and I realized, oh, 1 to 1.5. So I wasn't really happy with that, okay? So my trade was roughly within this level here, so almost a 1 to 2. I don't usually take 1 to 1.5 trades. I try to take trades minimum 1 to 2 to 1 to 3, but 1 to 1.5 or above is acceptable for me. And this trade, because I saw that opportunity, I just went for it now. Okay, so this one was a very beautiful trading opportunity. Also, something that we highlighted yesterday. This is another one, okay, Euro AUD. So this one is a little bit slow. Nevertheless, I was still waiting for price to come inside of this level to show me some trading, how to say, trading momentum lah within the zone. So price still did not come to that level. I can see we are starting to move away. But overall, for me lah, okay, this sense we are still inside of this level here. For me, okay, this is just for me. We are still kind of consolidating inside of this phase. I still believe there could be a chance. That's why I still have my alarm here for potentially price to move to this level. But based on how I'm seeing, we are already starting to see a bearish move down. But I'm okay even if I missed out on the trading opportunity because there is a lot more coming. Okay, so that is one. Look at this one, guys. EURJPY. Remember yesterday I highlighted that I'm focusing on bullish opportunity. I didn't enter this because it never came inside of my zone, but look at that trading bias, guys. Okay, market went, had a pullback, and then shoot to the moon, guys. When we highlighted yesterday around this time, before New York session kicked in, you guys can watch the live stream. Like I said, everything is really pre-recorded. Nothing of this is I can actually fake it or anything. Everything has been recorded, and then everything is posted before the moves all happen. Because my goal is to make sure that you guys are able to focus on the direction that price action is. What I believe like price action is telling. Okay, we're gonna move up. Are we gonna move down? Because if you guys have some trading background, okay, you can use whatever you understand, and at least you know, okay, I should focus on buys. My strategy or my SOP or my analysis, what criteria is fitting for a buying opportunity, what criteria is fitting for a bearish opportunity. So that's why I giving you guys out all of these price actions, everything for free on my YouTube live stream, which is this one right here, in hopes that you'll be able to strengthen your belief in your SOP. Because I trust me, guys, it works. Okay, it works. You just need to take time in practicing it. Okay, and then you need to see based on back testing the data. Is it a profitable strategy or not? If it is, right, data won't lie to you. Okay, you just have to make sure you focus on those SOPs and only take trades based on what your SOP tells you. So my goal is just to share as much price action in order to help you guys understand the potential or possibility of where price is going to go, up or down, because that's essentially what price do, up, down, or sideways we don't really take lah. So up or down, just want you guys to learn as much as possible lah. Okay, so nevertheless, I take this as a very successful trading bias, Even though it never came inside the zone, it went above our TP range. This is a very beautiful trade. Euro USD, another one. Remember this? Okay, I told you guys, right? I will decide either to close or hold. I closed well above 1 to 2, so I'm very happy with that regardless. Okay, I wish I would have held because it went all the way to the third target. So it was this pullback here. Okay, this one here I closed around this level, sorry, this level here. Okay, and then this, sorry, this level, yes, I was highlighting to you guys. Okay, this level, because it was the end of London session. You guys can see yesterday's live stream. I closed here, okay, before it went to this high. So roughly here lah, I closed, and then see, it went all the way down. If I held, it would be nicer because I targeted 1 to 3. So definitely it would be more than 1 to 3, but I'm still very thankful for this trade. Okay, nevertheless, trading buyers, success. So this one, USD CAD. So this one, I had a trading bias and I take a screenshot to show you guys because I don't want you guys to think, hey, yesterday you draw a zone, now where's the zone? So you see here, I take a screenshot and I remove the zone because I want to refocus on other things that is potentially having an opportunity for me lah. Okay, if I leave the zones here means until the next live stream I cannot focus on other stuff. So if you see, this is the zone yesterday I draw, and then you see the arrow I highlighted. So when New York session kicked in, okay, I wanted to see price come and respect this level. So what New York session did, New York session came inside, okay, and we disrespected this level because we went, okay, make it bigger. Then maybe you guys can see it better. Okay, this is nice. Then New York session came and then it took out. Wait, can you guys see it? Can I? Okay, okay, I had to make sure you guys can see it. You can see it trade below. This is why I said, for me personally, when price come inside of the zone and then use it as a trampoline, is not enough for me to consider that this level is being respected. Okay, and I can focus on buys. I made this mistake yesterday for. Was it yesterday? Sorry, Vidal. I don't think it was yesterday. Day before, is it? This was on the 7th. Yes, yesterday. For AUD CAD, I highlighted the trade also yesterday to you guys in the live stream. So essentially, what I did was when price came and used it as a trampoline, I did entered when I saw a potential buying opportunity. However, it is not enough because my criteria is price has to come within the level and trade inside the zone. So this is just using it as a trampoline. So that's why I didn't enter anything. But why I didn't enter anything is because of what I went through with losing. You see, can you guys now put the puzzle together? Whatever you lose on is lessons in disguise. Only if you choose to focus on the negative side, right? Trust me, like, I know it's very difficult. Easier said than done. Okay, I know. Sometimes I also still feel a little bit like very down. Okay, for one trade that lost or whatever lah. Okay, it doesn't always happen, but sometimes got. So I really understand. I really understand. Easier said than done, but try to focus your best on the good things of that loss. Okay, every loss is lessons. They are lessons essentially in disguise. They are teaching us something. So because of that loss yesterday, because of this trampling effect, I didn't enter because I remembered. For me, my criteria, price had to come inside the zone, trade a little bit, and then show reaction to the upside. Okay, so you see, trampoline, never trade inside. So price come inside again. I thought this was a good one. This is actually a very good idea. Okay, we trade a bit, but then price came below and invalidated this zone. Therefore, this zone is no longer valid. Okay, I will do this nowadays. Okay, I'll take screenshot if I'm going to remove any zone so I can highlight to you guys. Okay, this is the one of the trade opportunities that didn't really play out yet, but we didn't find an entry as well. So this one, it did went to the TP target. Can you see after it take out the level, invalidated the zone, and then it moved towards the upside. Okay, so our bias still correct for bullish momentum. Price still went to that level, and then we do have other targets that we can potentially be focusing on. But I didn't really check this one. Let me check. Let me just check. I want to make sure I give you guys only good bias. I don't want to give you guys chinchai. Okay, so far still we see a very good bullish opportunity. Now, let me find a zone. This is the obvious level to start off on. So this is the zone here. Okay. Right now, can you see price come back inside the zone? And we are consider this is already considered price is trading within the zone. Huh? So we take out this TP target first because this one is no longer validated for us. We have a new TP range to focus on buying opportunity. This is the closest one here. So I'll set this open. Okay, so I potentially could be focusing on a buying opportunity for USD CAD, but it really just depends on what price, how we respect, and will I still see bulls come in the market or not? Because I see very strong bearish momentum moves towards the downside. So it really just depends what price action will show me. Then only I would consider to either enter this trade or not. Okay, so let's just wait for this bullish opportunity. And this is still a great bullish opportunity. Okay, that's for USD CAD. NZD JPY. Okay, guys, look at this one. This one is very cool, in my opinion, very cool. I didn't enter this trade in my phone because I was already invested in this one AUD JPY. But you can see yesterday we highlighted here, okay, for bullish opportunity. Price went all the way up, almost take the third target. Very strong move towards the downside. Incredibly strong move, towards the downside. Now incredibly strong move again towards the upside. So this is another very successful trading bias that actually occurred. Again, all of this recorded yesterday, guys. You guys can watch yesterday's live stream. Euro NZD. Look at this. Remember the great bullish opportunity I highlighted yesterday, which is here also. Okay. So price actually came inside for New York session. I personally would not have entered this because you see trampling effect. Okay, it didn't really trade within the zone, but our bias was still correct. Price went very. I cannot expect this strong candle. Okay, I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna say, oh, this candle I knew was gonna happen. That's all fake lah. But it went to our target even higher. Hey, good evening, teacher. Hello, good evening. All trades going well. Yes, yes. Very, very good. Only Wednesday only. Thank you, teacher, for guidance. I have no worries. No, thank me. I appreciate you guys actually joining in the session. Okay, so this was another amazing bullish opportunity. That is for Euro NZD. USD JPY, the one that we highlighted, but there was no zone. Unfortunately, this is the zone lah. This was the zone. But when we highlighted yesterday, price was here. Price didn't come inside for us to get this potential very beautiful bullish opportunity. Nevertheless, our bias was still correct. We was focusing on the bullish momentum move. All of the TP target has been taken out, and today is only Wednesday. The market is crazy, guys. This week. Okay, last week also was amazing. This week also is even more amazing. I cannot imagine next week will be how amazing. AUD this one, lah. I'm just waiting because personally, I still want to focus on bullish momentum. This is just my personal bias. Okay, I see more of a bullish idea still, and I highlighted to you guys yesterday, right? Probably by Thursday or Friday, we may get an opportunity for AUD. Okay, if Friday, I hope the entry is on Asia session, so then I can hold until New York session before we can have to cut off the trade. But if not, I will trade this next week. Okay, for ADUSD, I'm still waiting. Can you see this now bullish candle? Big ones are coming up, right? Okay, this is maybe the starting sign of that. Let's see. Let's see, because anyhow, so we got a lot of liquidity and fair value gaps to aim for. If you want to focus on buys, and then I already have these targets which I set earlier this week. So let's see. And then AUD CAD. So this one is another one. This is a potential selling opportunity. Okay, so this one is I just highlighted today. Okay, before I came in the live stream. So far, I see AUD CAD moving towards the downside. I mean, it's very obvious. Okay, the trend is still moving towards the downside. And then there are very good alignments also with certain time frames. Okay, not the best, but there is good alignment with certain time frame. And this is the current zone that I can understand. If you can see, price already broke through this zone. Okay, it broke with this red candle here. So now price is coming inside. So essentially what I'm thinking, what I would like to see, not thinking, I'm waiting for price to trade a little bit. Okay, then show me bearish momentum move towards the downside, so where I can focus on this potential selling model. So this one I'm focusing on 1 to 2. I'm not going to go 1 to 3 because not many of the time frames are aligning. And then this one is very nice lah, more than 1 to 2. Okay, again, I won't be entering right now. This is not my entry. You guys know I will enter based on when I see a potential beautiful entry opportunity. So this will change, but this is just giving you guys my idea lah on where I believe price will be going to next. So this one I put up because this is the current opportunity right now for AUD CAD. Essentially, this is the only pair right now that I see a potential opportunity to happen because all of the ones yesterday we highlighted all also went to the TP. That was beautiful. Okay, so that is it for forex side. Let's go into crypto side. I want to highlight ETH first because look what happened, guys. I got the screenshot. This one as well. Yep. Yes, this one. Okay, let me make it big. Yesterday I highlighted for potential bullish idea. Okay, that didn't work out. Okay, this one here. Can you guys see? I think you guys can see it. A little bit bigger. Okay, this one here. So this was the bullish zone that I draw yesterday, and it was a bullish opportunity. To be honest, it was still very bullish opportunity yesterday. What happened was price actually went below on New York session. This is why I said I need to wait for New York session to see if there is any how to say bullish opportunity or not. Bear in mind this is a 1 hour time frame, 1 hour time frame screenshot. Okay, so this is the first break. Okay, this candle break through this level, and then this is the first time price came inside. Okay, we saw this long week rejection here, but price didn't really trade inside the level, and then price just disrespected this with one big red candle. So this one I didn't enter because price didn't show any form of respect for me to potentially enter this opportunity. Nevertheless, I removed that zone. The zone was roughly here. And now I'm just waiting to understand if price wants to move up or wants to move down. Currently, I don't understand who is in control as of now. Even though these very strong candles move down, right? I cannot say bear is in control. Okay. For me, I still feel a bullish vibe to the market for ETH, but definitely I cannot see an entry opportunity right now. But Solana, on the other hand, I do see this potential opportunity. Solana, so far we see bearish momentum. Okay, you see this one, I say watch reaction, right? So essentially, I'm waiting for price to come. This is Asia high. You guys can notice this, right? Okay, the blue zone. This is the highest point of Asia. I'm waiting for London session to come and take out Asia high, and then I want to see what form of reaction am I getting. Am I seeing strong bears or is bulls are coming in? Bulls coming in means also okay. I will change that bearish bias to a bullish momentum. Anyhow, so this bearish bias is not a very strong one because not all time frames are very much aligned also, but there is opportunity still regardless. Okay, so I want to see if price comes here. Am I starting to see this kind of reaction now? Strong reaction. If I see this strong reaction, depending on where my zone is, there's no zone also yet. I will be focusing on selling opportunities. Again, guys, depending on the zone, okay, to this level. Okay, this is now 1 to 3. Again, like I said, don't focus on that right now because we don't know where's the zone. If the zone is too low, I won't enter because the risk to reward is no point. If the zone is here, no point. Okay, see, cannot even get 1 to 1. So it depends on the zone, but just highlighting to you guys, I'm seeing a bearish potential opportunity here for Solana, but I won't be holding for long. That's why I put my target quite near. Since not every time frame is really aligning with their potential buyers to move towards the downside. Again, this is just personally what I see based on price action. Okay, so that is for Solana. The other side, all guys. Okay, BTC is another one. This one also didn't play out. Yesterday I highlighted this zone. This is actually not a new zone lah, because this is a zone that was created on the 6th on Monday, and then the zone has already been used, okay, on Monday itself during, sorry, not Monday, Monday, used on Monday for London session. If you can see, price went above, tapped inside the zone, and then we moved towards the upside. Okay, we took out the high, we made the new high, and then now we came back inside the zone, we tapped again, and then we tapped again. So essentially, the zone had been used multiple times. That's why the zone didn't really play out lah. So I didn't remove this. I want to highlight to you guys. Overall, we are still seeing a very good bullish opportunity. Okay, yes, we are currently still nearby the all-time high level. In a way, it's a good thing because right now we have a new all-time high target to potentially be aiming for. However, I'm not yet seeing bullish momentum moves towards the upside. Okay, I'm still seeing very powerful bears that kick in, but overall the bias is still, of course, towards the upside. Same like gold lah. The bias overall is still towards the upside. Oh yeah, I forgot to highlight about gold. There was a potential opportunity that I didn't enter, but actually when I checked that I wouldn't have entered lah. Based on the way how I trade, I wouldn't have entered, but I'll just highlight to you guys lah. Okay, so I'm still waiting for this. Essentially, Solana so far is the only one is quite clear, but not necessarily means it's going to sell because there's no zone. nothing really happened. It's just currently bearish. That's all. Okay, this one's the same thing. Yesterday I highlighted bearish. Price really went all the way down during the New York session, but I didn't enter anything because I'm more focused on a bullish momentum move. So essentially, I'm waiting for price to align itself. Okay, so Solana, I'm just focusing on it. Not necessarily I'll be entering because no zone, nothing created yet. I'm just watching reaction. Okay, let's go into gold quickly. So this was the gold potential opportunity yesterday. Okay, so gold came down to this level. This is where I highlighted. Okay, when I already moved all the way up here. So when price come inside this level during New York session, I could have entered, but based on smaller time frame, from what I saw, let me see. Yeah, no, I take it back. I missed this opportunity. I missed this opportunity. I take it back. I take it back. Okay, based on New York session, now I'm seeing actually price actually came and trade inside the bin. This is not considered trampoline. You see, it came inside. See, it came inside. See, we trade. We got quite a few candles that we traded inside this level. So this is okay. This is good enough already. Yeah. So there was an opportunity lah for gold. I personally, if you guys ask where would I have entered, this will be my entry level here. Okay, this will be my entry level. This will be stops. How much? One what? Almost 1 to 2. 1 to 2 will be where? 1 to 2 will be here. Yeah, almost 1 to 2. Very good trade already. Very, very good trade already. Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. Definitely, there is still another opportunity for sure. So this is what I mean, like guys. Goal, if you guys want to focus on buys, means can, but wait for that pullback. Okay, so you see this one, all the move, no pullback, right? This was the pullback. There's opportunity. So you see this was the pullback. There was an opportunity. So just wait for that pullback, huh? Just for goal lah. So this was a trade that I missed out. This one URCAD. Okay, I removed the important one. This one I think yesterday live stream. The reason being is because I'm not seeing any potential zone that has been created by the market for me to potentially be focusing on selling opportunity. Okay, I'm still waiting. Definitely, still things can change. We can definitely find an opportunity, but not right now. Lah. I'm not seeing anything yet. So maybe tomorrow's live stream I'll highlight to you guys. Okay. As of now, I just want to see how this AUD cat will be focusing on first. Focusing. How will it be potentially be giving us opportunity or not? You can see this very powerful bullish candle in, right? Okay, we have 30 minutes some for this candle to close. It really depends now on the smaller time frame what is playing out. If we are not respecting a smaller time frame, we won't respect in bigger time frame. Therefore, this zone is invalidated. Anyhow, also if it doesn't happen today, maybe late night it happen, I will take again a screenshot and I will highlight to you guys yesterday like what I did for the other pairing lah. But for right now, still I'm focusing on potential selling opportunity. For ADCAD, it depends only now how market will play out in this level. I didn't enter any trades yet. I'll show you guys. This is the only trades that I took today. I'll show you guys today. Can you guys see? So this is the trade that I took today. This is the one lah for ADJ. Not today, sorry. Yesterday when I hold it ADJPY, that's the one that I went to TP. Then I never entered any trade today. I'm just waiting. But this so far today, this one lah. ADCAD, potential opportunity only. The rest all went to TP already. Do we have anything else? This one already went to TP, but this one still have another potential buying opportunity lah. Okay, we still have another buying opportunity here. Show you guys this level here. Hold on. Okay, this level here, we still have a buying opportunity. It's a bit of a stretch towards the downside, so it really just depends on how price will react to this level. Let's see. Okay, I still want to wait and see. I need to align first based on a bigger time frame. Let me just do that quickly. Yeah, so far it seems legit now. So far we can still see a very great bullish opportunity. So let's see. I'll highlight this up. So essentially what I'm waiting for, if you guys are wondering, okay, I'm waiting for price to come inside. Quite a stretch lah. I'll be honest. This is a very long stretch for price to come all the way to this level. But still there is an opportunity for a buying model towards the upside. Okay, so let me see where is the potential liquidity that I can be aiming for. Close by liquidity is this one. This is essentially Asia high right now. Then we do have these liquidity levels here also that we can be focusing on. Hold on, let me make it very exact. Okay, roughly done. Okay, so this is what I'm focusing on, guys. Okay, so essentially two opportunities for forex today: EUR NZD, AUD CAD. Okay, AUD CAD so far is seeing very strong bullish momentum. Okay, let's see how the zone respect. If it doesn't respect this level, then no. Okay, no selling opportunity yet. Or even though overall the bias is still bearish, this is not a zone. We need to wait for that zone. But EUR NZD a lot more stronger in the sense of the zone wise and all that. We also have this bullish fair value gap here that we can be looking at for how price will start to react within this level. Okay, so quite a few things that we can be focused on for Euro and ZD. And then for crypto space, a bit still need some time because there's no zone yet, but so far bearish lah for Solana. And also so far, let me see. So far bearish also for Dogecoin. Okay, there is potential opportunity, but not yet. Like, I will highlight to you guys now on my Instagram or something. Okay, if there's an opportunity, I will highlight. If you guys would like to keep up to date with any potential trading opportunities that I may highlight after the live streams, all know, you guys can consider following me on my Instagram page, which I do have the links in the description below. Hold on, guys. This okay. So this is another one. Sorry, I should have put this up. Lucky we went through. Okay, USD CAD is another one, potential bullish opportunity. But need to beware, very, very strong bears coming in. Let's see. Okay, let's just be patient and let's see how price will react to this level for potential buying opportunity. Also, another thing to keep in mind, USD from Friday last week, I mark it out. Let me mark it out like this. I mark from here. Okay, all the way to right now. I need to mark until now. You just focus on the line. I cannot do this. I just off this one. So I have to do it. Okay, never mind. You just focus on mine. Friday. Okay, from here. Sorry. Okay, so you guys can see my finger, right? Can see my finger. Just focus. The move is like this. Okay, so that means what? Sideways. Okay, so personally, I may or may not be interested in entering this opportunity. So it will really depend on what I'm seeing and how price will show me a good reaction or not. But since sideways from Friday, we may continue sideways all the way up to Friday this week. There's an opportunity lah. So I may not be interested in USD CAD. So I put this number 3. Okay, AUD CAD and Euro NZD is a lot more better options in my personal opinion only. Okay. Okay, guys, so I think I end the live stream here. I hope this live stream was insightful for you as it was for me. I'm definitely sure there are many more great and amazing opportunities to come for us in the market, okay, this week. So do stay tuned to the live streams, guys, and also do take notes on all the price actions and what price is actually telling us and everything. All right? If you guys would like to learn from me on how I do my analysis, how I understand my market bias, and so on, I do have my personal 6-week course whereby I take you guys even from a total newbie, doesn't matter, on a 6-week journey, trading journey, if you will, where within 6 weeks' time, you guys will be able to do the same analysis that I do. You guys will be able to see the market, how I see the market, and how I understand to focus on buys or focus on sells, everything within 6 weeks' time. So if you guys are interested to find out more details about that, I do have my WhatsApp link in the description below where you guys can text me just to clarify about the cost, or you guys can reach out to my Instagram. I do have my Instagram handle there. Either you can follow me there, would be nice, or you can send me a DM. Say, let me know how you came from my YouTube channel. It means so much to me. Whereby you like to find out more details about the course, I'll be more than happy to get back to you. Okay, guys. So, guys, again, I appreciate every single one of you. Do subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. We do this from Monday to Friday every single week. Trade carefully, guys. Trade safely, and I'll catch you all in the very next live stream. Stay safe, traders. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye, guys.